Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this quick and easy coconut chickpea soup. So for this soup, I used leek, coconut milk, vegetable stock, ginger, garlic, cilantro, galangal, onions, and chickpeas. Start with cutting the veggies. Heat a little bit of coconut oil over medium fire. Here I am grating the garlic, galangal, and ginger into the oil. If you don't have fresh galangal or ginger or garlic, you can use the powdered forms later on in this recipe. Cook it for about 1 minute, then add the onions. Cook it for an additional minute. Add the vegetable stock, chickpeas, coconut milk, and leek. I also decided to add cumin powder, and if you don't have the fresh galangal, ginger, and garlic, you can add the powdered forms at this stage. Mix it and allow it to cook over low to medium fire for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that is how simple it is. You can garnish it with some fresh cilantro, and you have yourself some delicious coconut chickpea soup. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.